I want to prophesy to Ebuka Jinjim. I want to prophesy to your daddy. A lot of you don't know that I dream a lot. I see things that will happen tomorrow. I see things that will happen in 2 years' time, in 3 years' time, in 5 years' time. Ask people that knows me. They knows that even Joseph or no reach me. Joseph and a Bible na so wonyo in no reach. So I want to make a very sharp prophecy for Ebuka Jinjim. Ndoka Korea prophecy. I want to prophesy to your daddy. I want to prophesy to Ebuka Jinjim. A lot of you don't know that I dream a lot. You understand me? I cannot see you like this now and start prophesying, but through my dreams, I see a lot of things. I see things that will happen tomorrow. I see things that will happen in 2 years' time, in 3 years' time, in 5 years' time. I can see it in my dream. And if you are close to me, if anything wants to happen, I will see it in my dream. If you are very, very close to me, if anything wants to happen, I can see it in my dream and tell you. Ask people that knows me. Ask my aunties, my mom, everybody. They knows that I they dream a lot. Even Joseph or no reach me. Joseph and a Bible na so wonyo in no reach me. I dream a lot. I dream a lot, and my dreams they come to pass. You understand? Most of the times I dream in parables, things I cannot even explain for myself. So I will have to go and ask somebody. I will have to explain my dream for somebody. You understand? Muana kowali my own personal arrow. I have to explain to somebody that knows better. Maybe an elderly person. You understand? So I dream a lot. I dream a lot. Ebuka Jinjim. Amuma mchori ibu wa amuma mhono na aro mo. Ima muana elega anya like this. But if we are close and something wants to happen, whether good or bad, or something you are expecting, I can see it in my dream. I know my doors or maybe outsiders, I can't see like that. We have to have a connection. Maybe me and you they talk so that my spirits can align and come and show me that in my dreams. Sure you understand? So Ebuka Jinjim. Ebuka Jinjim. I know we are not close, but because I used to talk about you, I feel like I saw it. Ebuka Jinjim, amụma m chọrọ iburu gị wụna anọ m na-arọ gị bịa China. Anọ m na-arọ gị bịa China. Ebuka Jinjim, ma ị bịa China this month, ị ga-abịa next month. Ma ị bịa next month, from now to 2 years time, Ebuka Jinjim, you will come to China. Unless you will see this video and decide not to come, so that it will look as if amụma m chọrọ iburu gị na ọma ama. But if I be a prophetess, if I be a prophetess of the Lord, among the Lord can wow. But if I be the prophetess Chisom Lexus, it will be sounding like play. But today is 25th of May 2026. Ebuka Jinjim, go and mark it somewhere. You will come to China. You will come to China. Ebuka Jinjim. Maybe this month, it be next month. Maybe this year, it be next year. Maybe next year, it be in 2 years' time. You are going to come to China. Yeah, I saw it in my dream. You are going to come to China. Please save this video. Makamboge ebido mewe. Ema anyone na aro. Enwere ka nrocha aro hu ihe na aro. Onwere ka oge eme this year. Give feel that amam ihe nkwuge ma wo ị na aro malaria. Ma wo that na ke ihe onye a na ekwukwe no. 2 years time, 4 years time. Ihe ha roro na aro 7 years ago ebido mewe. On ihe na-eme ndị na aro too much. You understand? So Ebuka Jinjim, this prophecy, this dream prophecy is for you. You are going to come to China. Go and mark it somewhere. Today is 25th of May 2026. And if I be a prophetess Chisom Lexus, I prophesy to you, Daddy, Igabia China. I saw it. I saw it clear that you are going to come to China. Go and mark it somewhere. Maybe I go do one equeko. Igabia mbone ekwochago. China. This is what I saw in my dream. You understand? Asem kan kuo ya maka mgbe oge ebido mewe. Unu gasikwa kwa Chisom kukwara ihe ekwu. Chisom kukwara bam. That's why I say let me say it. Ebuka Jinjim, don't worry, you come to China.